Hi guys, ChrisWithMarketingLSM.com, and I would like to welcome you to another game video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make from anywhere from 50 to 350 USD for giving your feedback and opinion, and I'm going to explain everything in just a second. Before we go ahead and start the video, if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you go ahead and click the subscribe button on the lower right side of this video, because I would like you to be part of my channel. It would be a great honor for me, guys. So make sure you click the subscribe. Next to it is a bell notification. Click that as well so you can receive a notification for the videos I release every single day just for you on how you can make money online. And with no further ado, let's go ahead and start today's video. Guys, the website I'm going to talk about today is called 2020panel.com. You can get everything from the description below. And what you're going to be doing with this one, as you can see, companies are working with 2020panel.com, and they spend millions of dollars to hear what consumers and professionals like you have to say about everyday experience. Get paid. You can get paid 50 to 150 or even more just by sharing your opinion. Improve products by giving your honest opinion. Help these companies to improve. You share your opinion. The best way to improve the marketplace to create products and services that work real people like you. That's why your opinion is valuable to brands all over the world. By participating in one of our studies, you could earn extra income from sharing your opinion. And if you click from here, you can enter all the details. You can scroll down and you can see some of the people already getting paid for the various participations. And if you like to get a little bit more further details, more details on these things, go ahead and click on the frequent asked questions on the top menu. Yeah, it's gonna bring you to this page. So you can see the major questions. This is a website that has been up and running and in business since 1986. So it's very legit site. What kind of research you do? They specialize in quality market research. So how good quality the companies can get, the services, the products, and so on. And you can get paid anywhere from 50 to 350 USD. They provide quick service as well, which you can get 1, 5, or 10 USD dependent. So this is it, really fast. This is what I want to show you guys today. It's a really nice site. Go ahead, click register and try it out. If it's working out for you, I think it would be a nice way to make some money. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. I hope you like the content of this video, although it's fast, but it's really into the point. If you did, don't forget to click the thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe button in order to become a member. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you start giving it a shot and start making some money. Thank you guys. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.